Hello guys, Stusha here. I'm going to demonstrate the proper way of making white stock. I know I have a few videos on how to make a stock. I really don't make stock that way anymore, but this is an opportunity to show you the proper way of making white stock. So stay tuned, enjoy. Ciao, ciao. Mwah!
Alright guys, just a few tips and pointers. You want to make sure you thoroughly rinse the bones or carcass before using. I'm going to adjust the setting all the way high to bring it to a rapid boil. We call this blanching. I'm going to blanch the bones. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and prepare a sachet. That's me documenting the ingredients I'm using in this prep for you guys. Just for you. I don't always pretty much measure, when I cook. For the most part, not always, but for the most part. So we notice the formation of a scum. We're just going to continuously skim the impurities, at least till it comes to our rapid boil. And we want to do that as gently as possible. It's boiling now, so I'm just gonna reduce the setting, to just make sure I bring it to a simmering temperature. And I'm gonna proceed with the last skim. You want to make sure you maintain a simmering temperature at this point. So you may have to adjust the setting to get that. Okay. This is the last skim, and after this point, you want to make sure the stock is unperturbed. You don't want to disturb it, at all. So we're going to go ahead and gently add the sachet. And then the mirepoix, I have onions, yellow or brown onions, and then leek. And then parsnips and celery. Again, I'll make sure I include the ingredients in the description below. That's a bouquet of thyme, rosemary, and sage. And now I'm gonna still adjust the temperature because I want to make sure this, maintains the simmering temperature. Okay, at this point we are done. We just want to leave this for about 3 to 4 hours. This prep was done, I think, over a period of 3 hours and about 10-15 minutes. Okay, I think it's done now. I'm just going to turn it off. Okay, now I'm just going to proceed to strain the stock. You want to again do this as gently as possible. We're going to remove the sachet and then the bouquet. You want to gently strain, through the cheesecloth and strainer. Practically, a white stock doesn't really come out, like plain white. It normally comes out, in a kind of a light yellowish color. And you're going to see it gel, in the course of straining or even after straining. And I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, comment, and I'll address it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Ciao, ciao.